Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of our epic networking series. Ever wonder how the internet works or why you can't get Wi-Fi when you're just outside of your favorite coffee shop? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the magical world of networking. Yes, that thing that keeps Netflix running and gets your emails from here to the other side of the planet. So what exactly is a network? Well, at its core, a network is just a fancy term for a group of devices like your phone, laptop, or even your smart fridge talking to each other. Picture this. If computers were people, networking would be like their group chat. Now, these networks can be tiny, like your home Wi-Fi, or absolutely massive, like the internet itself, the biggest network there is. And yeah, the internet, we'll get to that in a second. Before we go deeper, let me break it down with an analogy. Imagine two people talking through tin cans and a string. Each person is a device. The string is the network. Simple enough, right? But what if we add more people or even cities, countries, and heck, maybe the entire world? Suddenly, your string and tin can setup just won't cut it. Okay, now let's move into some terms that you'll hear all the time in networking. LAN, WAN, and MAN. No, not the superhero, although networking could really use one. A LAN, or a local area network, is basically the Wi-Fi in your house or office. A WAN, or a wide area network, is something like the internet at your office stretched across multiple locations. And a MAN, or a metropolitan area network, well, imagine citywide Wi-Fi. That's a MAN. And no, it doesn't wear a cape. Now, let's talk about the internet, the big daddy of all networks. It's basically a collection of smaller networks all working together to send data around the world faster than you can microwave popcorn. Let's keep this simple. Imagine the internet as the ultimate family reunion where all your local, wide, and metro networks come together to share data. Think about it. When you stream that cat video, the data is zooming through your LAN WAN and across the internet in the blink of an eye. That is, except of course, when your internet feels like it's stuck in traffic. You know, like when you're waiting for a YouTube video to buffer. It's like the Wi Fi gods are taking a coffee break. Networks come in different flavors. We have the LANs, WANs, MANs, but also smaller stuff like PANs or personal area networks. Think of your Bluetooth connection between your phone and your headphones. That's actually a network. It's a PAN. It's like that mini network right in your pocket. All right, are you feeling like a networking genius yet? Okay, quick recap. We covered the basics of what a network is, how your devices are all talking to each other like a big group chat. We talked about what LANs, WANs, MANs, and even PANs are, and how the internet is the biggest and most awesome network of them all. But that is just the beginning, my friends. Next time, we're diving into the cool hardware that keeps all these networks running smoothly. Routers, switches, and even firewalls. Yeah, those things you probably have hiding under your desk right now. Do me a huge favor, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next video. And let me know in the comments, what's the strangest place you've tried and failed to get Wi-Fi? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do stick around for the next one. This should be a great series. I hope you all have a great day. Until the next one, take care.